So children, just now you have seen two pictures. What do you see in these two pictures? Of course you will say that the brother sister they both are fighting. Fighting for no reason. And you children also fight with your brother, with your sister. And I hope for no reason you both fight. So that is the relationship between a brother and a sister. So good morning children. Today we are going to study the poem named The Quarrel, written by Eleanor Fergian. This is a poem with the relationship of a brother and a sister. How they both fight with each other. They both even beat each other. But finally, they love also each other. So let's start with the explanation of the poem The Quarrel. So children, it is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. But how long do such quarrels last? And finally, how do they end? So let's begin with our poem. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. So, in this poem, children, the poet is telling about the quarrel, the fight between the brother and his sister. The poet says, I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what was the reason. And the one thing led to another. And somehow the quarrel, the fight went out. The start of it was slight, means that it started with a very small thing, but it ended with a very strong fight. He said, the brother said he was right, but though I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, Oh, come along. We can't go on all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. We hated one another. That means the fight grew so strong that we started hating each other. And the whole afternoon we fought, and finally it went till night. Then suddenly my brother, he thumped on my back and said, Oh, come on, we can't fight all through the night. And finally, he accepted that I was in the wrong. And so, he was right that the brother was wrong. And finally, he accepted. I know, children, you all also fight with your brothers, with your sisters, for petty reasons and at times for no reasons. But still, we all know that there is no such relationship in the world like brother and sister. They fight, they beat, they don't talk with each other. At times, they also hate each other. But what is the final outcome? The final result is that they love each other. There is no such relationship as brothers and sisters. It is the most beautiful relationship in the world. I hope, children, you all have understood this beautiful poem written by Eleanor. So, children, that was all about the explanation of the poem. Now, what you have to do? You note down this beautiful poem in your notebooks and try to read it and understand the deep feelings, the deep relationship between the brother, and the sister. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.